Well, here's the spectacular dessert we're going to make today with a box of cookies. Did you hear that right? A box of cookies. 2 more ingredients, that's 3 ingredients. And this cookie cake will be on your table in about an hour, and it's truly spectacular. It's really worth it. Look. Wow, it looks amazing. Man, this is so good. Super good. You see how it turns out? Fluffy with a crunchy topping and a dense, super good inside. First essential ingredient, a box of cookies. Man, 300 grams of cookies. We're going to put them in there. We put them in a bowl, a mixing bowl, whatever you want to call it. There it is. These come in 2 packages, I guess, so they don't go bad. Here I go. Next ingredient, milk, 750 milliliters of milk, which is about 2 cups. You can use regular, semi-skimmed, or skimmed milk, it doesn't matter. As soon as you have all your cookies in the bowl, you add the milk. Here I go. Little by little, let all these cookies soak up the milk really well so they get nice and soft. And the result will be truly amazing. We just need to let them rest for 5 minutes so they get nice and soaked. Just a little bit. Don't worry, this recipe is going to be super quick. We've left them there for 5 minutes. They're pretty soaked now. But I'm going to take the opportunity to break them up with a spoon, just giving them a little stir. Here I go, see? 20 seconds, and the step is done. As soon as you have them, into the blender. We blend them. A juicer would also work, and you'd avoid the accident I just had. What would this channel be without its accidents? Riz, Rice, home cooking, homemade food. We blend well, about 20 seconds or so until there are no lumps left. The idea is to get a cream like this. See? It's thick, but it's still liquid. If you don't have it like this, it might be because it's too liquid, so you add 2 or 3 more cookies, or because it's too solid, and then you add a splash of milk. It's that easy. I'm going to use a mold like this one, which is 19 centimeters, and I'm going to grease it with a bit of butter so it doesn't stick. Professional tip. If you want it to be shorter than mine, you just have to use a 22 or 23 centimeter mold. Next ingredient, baking powder, which is regular chemical yeast, 16 grams, which is 1 packet. Here I go. I think a complaint led to it being called baking powder. We're gonna add it by sifting. Here we go. Little by little, we've got it. And we fold it in with gentle circular motions. There it is, slowly. All right, let's go to the mold. We pour our wonderful mixture inside. Look at that. What a marvel. What density. Wow. And this dessert is almost ready. We'll have it in no time. We're going to the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. And we bake for 60 minutes, that's it. Look, as soon as the 60 minutes are up, we take it out. And with some oven mitts or something so you don't burn yourself, we let it rest on a rack. There we have it. This is going to take you at least a couple of hours. After that time, it will be ready to unmold, and all we have to do is remove it from the pan, which will be super easy thanks to the butter. There it is. If you have any tricks to keep cakes, sponge cakes, or pastries from sticking, let me know in the comments. That way, we all learn together. Look how amazing it looks. It turned out absolutely amazing. That's it. Time to serve it up. There's your cookie cake. Spectacular. Prepared in just 60 minutes and using only 3 ingredients. My daughter is going to be super happy because I can tell you it has a real cookie flavor. In this case, Campariana's. Sharp knife. And I'm going to show you the inside because you're thinking it's a sponge cake, but it's not. It's a cake. It's much denser, much more filling, with a much more concentrated flavor, but as you can see, it cuts really well. And now I'll show you the inside. A good big piece. Look, see? It has a consistency almost like country bread. and it's really heavy. I'm telling you. And there it is, crunchy topping. See, it's still fluffy. And this one, cookie cake. It's truly amazing. You have to make it. Rizra, who can? Is there more?